Not every fraud wears a hoodie. Some wear a corporate logo. Every single day, millions lose money silently. Not to hackers, but to invisible charges hidden deep inside the system. They're legal, they're quiet, and they're designed to go unnoticed. It starts small, a few rupees here, a few cents there. SMS alert fees, instant payment charges, or that mysterious processing cost. You ignore them because they're small, but small doesn't stay small. 100 invisible cuts later, you've lost more than a month's savings. You signed up for a free trial. You forgot to cancel. Months later, that free subscription is draining you quietly. Even worse, some apps hide merchant IDs so you can't trace who's billing you. When you shop online internationally, you're not just buying products, you're buying invisible layers of markup. Currency conversion, gateway rerouting, processing buffer. Together, they quietly tax your every swipe. The most expensive word in banking is default. You didn't set your own terms, so the system used theirs. Half the deductions happen not because you did something wrong, but because you didn't read something right. Banks know psychology. They show you rewards loud and deductions quietly. Every cashback high hides a cost somewhere else. You don't just pay money, you pay with your attention, and that's the trust tax. It's time to stop being a passive account holder. Build your audit system. A simple dashboard that shows where your money leaks and how to stop it. From Mumbai to Montego Bay, the invisible fraud isn't what's stolen from you. It's what's hidden from you. Audit your money. Own your peace.